Well, isn't it a fine day for a tech faux pas? Picture this. Apple, the tech giant that once told us to think different, has had to swallow a rather, shall we say, crushed pride. In a recent ad for their shiny new iPad Pro, they had the audacious idea of crushing various objects under a hydraulic press. The only survivor? You guessed it, the iPad Pro. The creative community, however, didn't quite share Apple's sense of humor. Cue the outrage and social media storm. The ad, tastefully titled Crush, was meant to show off the iPad's creative potential. Instead, it came off as a tasteless boast from Silicon Valley, symbolizing the suppression of human creativity by technology. How's that for irony? Apple's VP of marketing had to step in, expressing regret for the ad's insensitivity towards creatives. I mean, who knew artists didn't like seeing their tools of trade being crushed? Shocking, really. But here's the kicker. The ad unintentionally mirrored the controversy around generative AI in the arts. As if the ad wasn't controversial enough, it had to go and kick the hornet's nest of AI anxieties. This debacle marked a stark contrast to Apple's previous countercultural image. It seems like Apple's been taking notes from the How to Be Out of Touch with the Current Cultural Climate Handbook. In the wake of this fiasco, social media commentators didn't hold back, criticizing Apple for being out of touch. And let's be honest, the ad did make Apple seem like that one friend who tells a joke at a party that no one gets. Awkward. So, what's the moral of the story? Well, next time you're thinking about making a bold statement, maybe don't crush the very things your target audience holds dear. Or, you might just end up with a crushed reputation, but hey, at least now Apple has a new tagline. Apple, crushing dreams, one hydraulic press at a time. Now that's what we call thinking different.